We've been building balers and conveyors now. We're going into our 12th year. And on average, 60% of the balers that we build get one of our conveyors. Most recently, probably in the last 3 years, we have provided conveyor systems to replace conveyors in the field that are feeding our competition's equipment. So we're also selling conveyors outright without balers to customers in the field.
We've done it for many manufacturers, many specialty applications. We've got a lot of working knowledge of conveyors.
We've upped the size of the thickness of our sidewalls on all our conveyors, so we're standard at 1/4 inch. A lot of people in the industry are 3/16 or even less. You get longer life out of the piece of equipment and you get a more rigid piece of equipment. That's another thing we do that some of our other manufacturers don't, is we fully assemble our equipment in the plant and test it. So we don't actually run material through it, but we connect it, hook up all the electrics, set it up in the shop completely, cycle it, run it through its paces. We make sure there's no glitches as far as the made up of the parts. This is a machine that's in test, so it's fully assembled. All the hydraulics and electrics are attached to it, and we're running it through the dry cycle motions, making sure everything's set, making sure everything works properly, which is basically the same as the conveyors. We fully assemble, fully test all the equipment prior to shipment.
A lot of people look at it as two separate pieces of equipment. We don't look at it that way. We look at it as a combined piece of equipment because one works with the other and you have to have one to run the other.